Hey everyone. So as you can see, we are back in Chicago. I'm actually sitting in the car because it's raining and PK just went into this little shop. So me and the baby are in the car waiting for him to come out. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and say hello. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. But before we get into today's vlog, I have to share with you an item that I received from Teddy Blake. So I'll go ahead and insert that here for you guys, and then I'll come back and chat with you all in a little bit. So yeah guys, that is the bag that I received from Teddy Blake. So cute. I absolutely love it. Cannot wait to wear it. We're actually going to dinner tonight, so I may wear it tonight to dinner. If I do, I'll share it with you all. But I love Teddy Blake handbags. I have another one that they sent me a while back when I worked with them for the first time, and I still have it and I still love it. They have such nice luxurious leather bags for a really good price. So I'll also leave my discount code below for you guys, because you can also get some additional savings if you missed out on like the Black Friday or Cyber Monday deals that they were running. I'll leave my code and you can get $30 off. So definitely use that code if you guys decide to get one of their bags. I personally love this one because it's very like Bottega-esque, but not too much. Also, it comes in so many different, like every color in the rainbow you can find in this bag. I like that you can wear it as a little clutch. You can also wear it as a crossbody. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's red, so you get that nice little pop of color. I always have a hard time like committing to red bags. I've had so many red bags over the years and I can never just commit. So I feel like this is a way that you can commit to a bag that's, you know, that's a color and not spend a whole lot of money. And so yeah, I love that. So I'll definitely be wearing that for this holiday season because it's so festive. And yes, I'm just waiting on PK to get back in the car, and then I need to grab some lunch or something because I haven't eaten anything and it's like 1 o'clock, and then we have dinner reservations later tonight. So yeah, I will bring you guys along with me. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying your day. Today is Sunday. So I hope you guys are enjoying your day, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Oh, OOTD. So I'm wearing the jacket that I shared with you all that I got from H&M, the long puffer jacket. I'm wearing this black turtleneck bodysuit and some black leggings, my Saint Laurent tote, and my hippie Nikes. And yeah, so that's what I'm wearing today on this rainy day. I'm so disappointed that it's raining today, but hopefully it'll get nicer tomorrow. Let me see. So yeah, tomorrow it's not raining, but it'll be cold. Tuesday it'll be cold. Wednesday it'll be cold. So it'll be cold the rest of the week. So yeah, but it looks like it's going to be raining all day today, so that sucks. But yeah, so I'm gonna go now and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. All right, so we're back now. I'm just eating a salad from Sweet Green, Dr. Pepper. All right, so while we were out earlier today, PK went to this candle shop in Lakeview. And we got 4 candles. One is burning now, but I wanted to share them with y'all. So this first one is jasmine. Smells really nice. And the second one is bamboo. I don't think I smelled this one in the car. Oh, this one smells good too. It smells nice. And I love the jars, obviously. The white jar with the black label. PJ's getting his nails clipped right now. The last one is rain. Well, the third one is rain. We got 4. And this one also smells really nice. So I think they put the notes. No, they don't put the notes on them. I thought they put the notes on them, but those are just instructions on how to burn the candle. And let's see, natural soy candle hand poured in Chicago. So that's that one. Then I'll show you guys this one. All right, so this is the one that we're burning right now. It's called Verbena. Can you smell it?
Yeah.
It's got like a citrusy smell to it. So this is the one that we're burning now. And so those are the candles that we picked up. And since we're mentioning candles, I thought we can do the advent calendar while we're at it. So we are on day 3. And this one is goji tobacco orange. It's goji berry, ripe mango, tobacco orange. So let's see. Oh, it's in a red jar. The other ones were in white. So I guess they're all going to be like in different colored jars. But this smells really nice. So this is day 3 of our Voluspa 12 days of candles. So there's a little candle haul for you all. Alright guys, so we are getting ready to head out to dinner. I'm just wearing this little cardigan sweater as a dress because it's really like oversized. I got this from Nordstrom Rack. I'll find it and try to link it for you guys. I'm gonna wear my red Teddy Blake little bag, and then I'm gonna wear these from Zara boots. So I will check back in with you guys when we get to the restaurant. All right, bye. All right, so we just got back in from dinner. It was so good. We went to Bar Sienna and I had a pasta dish with shrimp. It was so good. I think I did a little clip for you guys, but I am going to go ahead and finish editing and get this uploaded for you guys tonight. So I apologize for the late upload, but yesterday I didn't vlog at all because we were on the road, so I didn't do any vlogging. But Vlogmas day 4, I'll try to get that one up for you guys like in the afternoon sometime. So again, I apologize for the late upload on this one. I carried my Teddy Blake bag today. It was so nice. I love it. This bag smells so good, y'all. So again, I will leave my discount code below so you guys can get some additional savings. Also, thank you to Teddy Blake for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.